I came out here to Lake Georgetown at the Cedar Breaks Hollow Camp. Just a little parking area, no registration required. I took the right-handed path and I'm going down a descent. Maybe it'll give me access to the shore. On the, I think it was the 92 on the corner where you turn down to, you go through the private property, the private residential areas to the end of the park area. On the corner lot, there's like, oh my gosh, all of these cows and their babies. It's cute. And they have a lot of like rocks stacked up around their trees around here. Like a circle of rocks around all the trees and stuff. I hear somebody talking. There's two other cars, and one was, I think, leaving. Maybe I'll get some swimming in solitude. Like, legitimately, is this grain? Like, I don't know, it's kind of, oh, that's not what's sticking to me. Focus. Is this, oh, wow, there's a lot of it. You can already see the lake. So sorry for that blurriness. Oh, I guess that's a wild grain. Or settler's grain, colonist grain. Love it. Someone's back here making crop circles. Wow. Got plant on my sock. I think I hear voices down by the lake, but that shouldn't be a shocker. It is. So close. I think Cedar Breaks Hollow is the part that I was always coming to this place. And having to hike a while. But the Jim Hogg Park has real easy access to the lake. A lot of people, but cool. Wonder if there's some kind of cave shelters in this like branched off area. So much cactus cries there. Get all your nopales. Here we go. I followed the sign towards the right that said to the camp. Scared a big heron out from there. You can walk around the shore. It's sweet. There used to be land. There's trees in there. Oh my gosh. Shoot, you could go swimming in here. It looks so nice. There, that's not the one. The other one was white. Where'd you come from? Didn't you see the heron? I don't even know the difference between a stork and a heron and a crane, or I don't even know. They're all here though. Probably could camp here, and I mean, nobody would even know you're down here. There's no CCTV or nothing. Alright, I'm going in. Yay! I can say I did this summer, and on the holiday weekend. go out to that cove where the boats can see me, but just don't know about these trees. I should have brought a floaty. I do have my water shoes. Looks nice. A lot of boats. There's a big rock wall down there. Look at all these rocks. People are all enjoying it. There's a pathway over here. It would be dope to swim over there. I'd have to look it up on the map. All those rocks. That rock wall's cool, but on top of it are all houses. This is my favorite place to access Lake Georgetown so far. I definitely chose the right way on the right-hand trail to get here, because the other way you had to walk all the way past the bluffs to get to where I was. Nice views though. Plus there's people all along this part of it. It's so cool how it's like rock reinforced. Wow, that's cool. Impressive. Wow. That's so cool. This right-hand side, take this path for the easy access. Private property. They have a crazy driveway in there.